Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nail Fluff here, and this is day 1 of our 12 days of Christmas nail art tutorials, and I'm super excited. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do these beautiful candy cane lane nails. Okay guys, so we're starting off with the polish layers. This video, I'm using the Medusa gel system. It's an amazing system. I bought the entire collection. It's vegan, cruelty-free. It's amazing polish. It doesn't bubble up. So I chose a beautiful candy red color that I am doing on 2 of the nails. Let's see, 3 of the nails. And then I'm going to take a primary white as well and put it on the opposite nail. So we're doing a candy cane theme. So what better colors than red and white? I am also using the flat gel brush from Medusa as well. This brush came with my full collection, but you're able to purchase it separately on their website, which I will leave the link to this down below, you guys, because this polish is amazing and you deserve some great gel polish. Also, what my model is actually the full silicone practice hand from Red Iguana nail products. They're an amazing nail supply store that I just found out about. And I bought one of these full hands, and look how realistic it is. I'm so shooketh by these hands. So now I'm just repeating the process and taking my white and doing those nails. I did choose to do the red color first, so that way I don't mix up my colors on my gel brush. So we want to make sure that we get a fresh primary white. So I went ahead and did the colors separately just to ensure that the colors stay what they're supposed to be. Each gel polish layer was cured for 30 seconds. And now we are jumping into the art. So we have 2 full coats of red and white, and now I'm going to start on the pinky and create a little twisted candy cane vibe. It's super simple. The brush that I'm using here is actually the upper arch brush from Bio Sculpture Gel. It's an amazing brush. It's one of my favorite brushes. If you can see, it's kind of been through a lot, but it still gets the job done. So I'm just kind of creating slanted lines, one thicker and one a little bit thinner to give it some dimension, and just work your way going down the nail. It's your art. It's up to you which direction you'd like the candy cane to go. But honestly, anything that you do, I guarantee it's going to be super cute. Just try your best and don't overthink it. When hand painting gel art, be sure to flash freeze your gel for 15 seconds. No need to do a full cure yet because we're working on other nails, but just to ensure that your paint doesn't move, make sure that you flash cure that for 15 seconds. So now I'm working on the thumb design. This nail is red, and I'm going to go ahead and paint it with a matte top coat. This matte top coat is also from Medusa. It's a no wipe matte top coat. And we're going to paint some designs on top of the mat. So we want to do a sugared effect. So in order to really get that sugar to pop on top, a matte top coat is really the best way to go. Now that my matte top coat has cured for a full 60 seconds, I'm taking my primary white again with my striper brush, and I'm going to create a snowflake design. Now snowflakes are all one of a kind, and they look so many different ways. Every snowflake is unique, so this part is really up to you. Use this part as inspo, or totally create your own type of snowflake. It's no problem. If you need snowflake designs, please feel free to go on Google and just pull something up while your client's there. It's totally fine, and I'm sure they'll appreciate that you're taking the extra time to make sure that their design turns out just right. Now that my unique snowflake is designed, I'm going to take a small dot tool and just place some random dots in the same primary white around your snowflake to kind of create a snowy vibe. Like It's snowing, girl, burr. Now before you cure your polish, you're going to take some pixie dust and we're going to sprinkle it over our full design. So pixie dust is basically a very fine translucent diamond glow glitter, and we're just pouring it all over the full design, shaking off the excess and curing it for a full 60 seconds. So now I'm going to repeat this process on the thumb, but we're going to do a different design. Same primary white, but now we're going to make an icicle effect. The icicles are super fun because there's really no rhyme or reason to the way that you do them. Icicles are basically frozen drips of water, so there's no right or wrong way to how they look. The design is up to you and your client, of course, but feel free to just do your thing, girl. Make it work. We gonna drip some icicles, girl. Yes. So same thing with the icicles here. We're just finishing our design. While the polish is still wet, we're gonna take our pixie dust, our fairy glitter honey, our icicle drip, and pour it over our design. And then we're gonna cure for a full 60 seconds and have the most beautiful icicles we've ever seen. Next up, the ring finger, we are doing a simple glitter press. So take your pixie dust, an old makeup brush, and press that glitter onto the sticky layer. And boom, it's a beautiful glittery nail. So I apologize in advance, but I just couldn't get the recording of me placing the rhinestones, but I wanted to make sure to include this clip of me sealing the rhinestones. This is super important. Anytime you're using crystals or embellishments, you want to make sure that you're sealing them with top coat. So you can see me strategically going around each crystal and making sure that that top coat gets in between each rhinestone. That ensures that they stay on and they're not going to come off for the full 2 weeks. Once the top coat is cured for a full 60 seconds, we are good to go and left with a beautiful Christmas candy cane lane design. Check me out. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is Nail Fluff. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and be ready for day 2 of the 12 Days of Christmas with Nail Fluff. Thanks, you guys. Bye.